everyone. Today we'll be reviewing the National Flag of Tuvalu. The review will be done using the 5 basic principles of flag design as outlined in the book Good Flag, Bad Flag, written by Ted Kay and published by the North American Vexillological Association. Here is a quick rundown of the 5 principles. We will review the flag under each principle and give a score out of 10 for each. At the end, we will calculate the average score of the 5 principles, which will give us the overall final score for the flag. Let's begin. The flag consists of a light blue field. The canton bears the flag of the United Kingdom. The fly side is charged with 9 yellow 5-pointed stars. They are arranged in accordance with the geographic locations of the islands that make up the country. This, along with the fact that some of the stars point upwards while some point downwards, means the stars are difficult to draw accurately. The flag of the UK is also tricky to get exactly right, and adding this to the stars means the flag is fairly complicated overall. For this principle, the flag scores 2.5 out of 10. The flag was first adopted in 1978 and later readopted in 1997. For a brief period in 1995, one of the stars was removed, which represented one of the islands which was uninhabited. This was done because the name of the country translates to 8 together, and the flag with 8 stars reflected that name. From 1996 to 1997, this was the flag of Tuvalu. It replaced the Union flag, which proved to be controversial, because the majority of the population is in favor of the Tuvaluan monarchy, which is headed by the British monarch. The original flag with 9 stars was reinstated in April 1997. Regarding symbolism, the British flag reflects the ties of Tuvalu with the UK. As already mentioned, the 9 stars represent the 9 islands that make up the country. They are arranged with north facing the hoist side, or left side as we look at it, rather than north being at the top of the flag. Unfortunately, we have no official symbolism of the light blue field, though an obvious meaning would be the Pacific Ocean. While it's good to have symbolism with the country's ties with Britain, the use of the Union flag gives it too much dominance in our view. The flag also loses marks for the lack of official symbolism of the blue field. There is also no explanation as to why some of the stars are oriented differently, though we're not going to take away marks for this curious design decision. For this principle, the flag gets 5 out of 10. The flag has 4 colors. Those are blue, white, red, and yellow. That's 1 color more than the recommended maximum of 3. Of course, there are 2 shades of blue, and the light blue is the most important color of the flag. All of these colors are part of the standard set. Regarding contrast, there is an issue with the 2 blue colors as well as the red of the Union flag and the blue field. Though we refer to it as light blue, it still doesn't contrast very well with the dark blue and red of the British flag. On the flip side of this, the blue field is dark enough that it contrasts well with the yellow stars. Overall for color, the flag scores 7 out of 10. The flag has no lettering, seals, or coat of arms. For this principle, the flag gets 10 out of 10. The flag of Tuvalu is one of 4 sovereign flags that use the Union flag in its canton. Here we can see these 4 countries. Tuvalu's flag is the youngest of all of these. Australia and New Zealand both have dark blue fields, while Tuvalu's blue is more similar to the Fijian blue field, which is also light blue. Of course, we have to point out the flag also resembles the Union flag itself, the flag of the United Kingdom. Though we only judge the flag against other sovereign flags, the light blue field with the Union Jack makes the flag similar to that of the British Air Force. There are also many British overseas territories which have the Union Jack in its canton, and therefore bear some resemblance to the flag of Tuvalu. When it comes to scoring for this flag, the light blue field makes it somewhat distinctive from Australia and New Zealand, though there are still similarity issues. Even though Fiji has a coat of arms and Tuvalu has its 9 stars, the 2 flags are still pretty similar in overall looks, and because Fiji's flag is older, Tuvalu loses a lot of marks here. For this principle, the flag scores 2 out of 10. So now we review the flag on each of the 5 principles. We're going to add the scores and divide by 5 to get the average. So, for the National Flag of Tuvalu, we get a final score of 5.3 out of 10.